Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button until you see the power menu on the screen. Now from here, just tap on power off. Now as you can see, our smartphone is now completely powered off. Just like that. Now to turn it back on, just press and hold on the power button. Just like that. Now it will take a few seconds for your Redmi A5 to power on. Now as you can see, our smartphone has powered on. And this is how you can turn off the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.